juicy and bright. Monkey eats it with all his might. Red, red apple, tasty treat. Even the lion wants to eat. Green is the frog, jumpy and cool. He hops all day near the swimming pool. Green, green grass, so fresh and wide. Let's take a ride on the leafy slide. Blue is the bird up in the sky. Flapping its wings, it loves to fly. Blue, blue sea, deep and wide. Shark says hello with a silly glide. Yellow is the sun, so high and round. Wakes up the animals without a sound. Yellow, yellow lion wears a crown. Marches like a king through the town. Pink is the pig with the twirly tail. Dancing in flowers without fail. Pink, pink candy, piggy snack. Oops, it fell inside his bag.